Imagine a world where you don't need an expensive gaming PC or the latest console. Every game, no matter how demanding, instantly playable on any device. Is your next gaming console actually nowhere? Cloud gaming lets you stream blockbuster games like Netflix. Tired of downloading 100 GB updates or dropping thousands on new hardware? What if you could play anything, anywhere? No upgrades needed. A few years ago, the hype was massive. Nvidia's GeForce Now, Google Stadia, Xbox Cloud Gaming, these platforms promised console-quality gaming streamed straight to your phone, tablet, or even a smart TV. No downloads, no updates, no expensive rig. Today, cloud gaming is accessible on almost everything, from mid-range smartphones to Chromebooks to last-gen consoles playing streamed games. Setup? Dead simple. Just log in, pick your game, and play. But here's the reality check. Not every game runs flawlessly. Performance is cloud gaming's biggest challenge. Input lag, stutters, and compression artifacts can easily turn a fast-paced shooter into an unplayable mess. For casual single-player games like Assassin's Creed or Cyberpunk, it's fine. But in competitive setups, think Fortnite, CS:GO, or Valorant, every millisecond counts. Latency depends on where you live and how good your internet is. Gamers in cities with fiber internet may barely notice issues, while in rural areas, cloud gaming might feel broken before it even starts. So performance and latency are the big constraints. Next, what you actually pay for all this. Let's break down subscriptions, libraries, and whether it's worth it. Then there's the subscription model. GeForce Now has free and premium tiers. The more you pay, the better resolution and longer sessions you get. Xbox's Game Pass Ultimate includes cloud gaming bundled with hundreds of titles. Amazon Luna, channels with curated game sets. Cost-wise, cloud gaming can actually be cheaper than upgrading GPUs every few years. At least in the short term. Who has the best exclusives? Microsoft's Game Pass library definitely wins in variety. But Nvidia's GeForce Now lets you stream games you already own on Steam or Epic. So for many, it's a cost-effective shortcut, especially short-term. The rollout of 5G networks promises lower latency and faster speeds for mobile cloud gaming. Compression algorithms are getting smarter, balancing visuals with smoothness, and AI could soon predict inputs and compensate for lag in real time. Plus, game developers are slowly exploring cloud-native designs, where games are built for streaming first. Adaptive performance, shared processing power, and features impossible on traditional hardware. So, is cloud gaming the inevitable future? Realistically, it won't fully replace consoles or PCs anytime soon. In the next decade, expect it to become a mainstream option, especially for casual gamers in markets where consoles are too expensive. But hardcore players, competitive esports, and performance purists will still prefer physical hardware. It will likely coexist, like streaming didn't kill theaters. Cloud gaming is no longer a far-off dream. It's here, working, and slowly improving. But will it replace your PC or PlayStation tomorrow? Not just yet. So what do you think? Will cloud gaming truly become the future? Or will hardware always rule? Drop your take in the comments. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into gaming tech.